Yeah. So every video, I give you a credit. See, them have a digital credit right now. Mackerel official. Beez Hive. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a boy Tyrekevlogs here with a brand new video. And before the video even starts, just want to say thanks to Mackerel official. You're the best comedian out there. You do your thing. I rate you. You know, the last video I make about you, I never really said nothing. But a most viewed video, so I have to say a huge thank you, Mackerel official. Isn't it? Goodie come out. You do your thing, my girl. I rate this time. Just go and do your thing. And be careful who for money you take. Even though it's a joke, I see, but continue up on the part, more to see the video. Thanks again. Because everybody has username and now say thanks. Me I say thanks. But right now we come for username again. I'm never want to know what everybody think about this collab. But that's what I call it. What everybody think about that couple here. You understand? I'm going to create a couple right now. The couple is going to be the next hit couple for 2019, isn't it? So I have Beez Hive. For all who don't know who is Beez Hive, even though that's something here right there, so now put it right there, so just watch it.
Hey, Beez Hive! Hey, we're not in because I'm going crazy for me. Beez Hive! Beez Hive! Hey, we're not in because I'm going crazy for me. Like me, because I'm like me. Because I'm like me. Pull on now! Pull on! Pull on! Pull on! It's so easy! Pull on one easy! Hey! Everything will have easy! Hey! So we so like easy! Beez Hive! Beez Hive! Hey! You know it's D-Chargy! The girl is going crazy for me! Beez Hive! Pull on Beez Hive!
That's Beez Hive, people. Go check him out. Come over Instagram, got Beez Hive and a bag of things. You see me? He meant a bag now. Yeah. Go watch him out. Go look for it. And you don't know Mackerel official. If you don't know who is Mackerel official, like, where come from? Obviously not Jamaica. So if you don't know Mackerel official, just watch a video right so. Yeah. Just imagine two of them together. Imagine the connection, yo. Trust me, you have Mackerel and Beez sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Mackerel and Beez sitting in the tree. But I want to know what you all think of that, and drop it in the comment section. I know I'm going to give you the credit, I'm always do for every video. You understand? Me get the credit and come back. Voila. One day. Yeah. So every video, I give you a credit. See, I have a digital credit right now. So when you're ready, take out to the phone. Digital now. Ready? 1-848-1322-70728. Isn't it? That's a digital credit. $150. Anybody who get it, comment and me get the credit in the comment section. You understand me? And subscribe to the channel. Your boy Tyrekevlogs is here, guys. And I will see y'all in another video. Just subscribe with notifications on. I'm gonna give you credit in every video. You understand? Well, if you have a credit to give it. But we give credit in most of the video right now. As of now. Thanks to Mackerel official again. Thanks to you who have subscribed. Make sure you subscribe and touch the like button for the video and touch the bell. And I will see you all in another video, guys. It's about Tyrekevlogs. I'm out of here.